Welcome back, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, full recipe. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, you know what happened? I got a recipe and I said to myself, I want to share the recipe with my fans them. And only one thing come to my mind. I say if I doesn't do it today, I'm gonna be really disappointed by myself. Alright? So listen. Today we want to make a recipe which I have the recipe about 6 months ago, and I said to myself, I definitely want to share this recipe with the fans. You see that recipe here? Honestly, that recipe is supposed to go really global. One thing I want to say to you, if it doesn't like the recipe, please write it in the description box. First thing I want to say, I have some saltfish right here which I just boil off the saltfish. I got a lot of video on my YouTube showing how to cook saltfish. Saltfish, you can get the one without, get the boneless one. Alright? The boneless one you want to get. First thing I want to say, we're going to make you a saltfish fish cake. Alright? I got some mashed potato I've left over, and I'm going to be using that one. First thing I need to do, I got some thyme right here. I'm going to simply cut up some. This is some fresh thyme I have left over. I'm going to use some fresh thyme right here. And all I'm going to do is just simple get this part of the thyme. I'm not going to be using this part of the thyme because that part of the thyme doesn't work well. Alright? So let's put this in the bin. So we're just going to get just this bit of the thyme. Lovely and nice. We don't need too much time because we don't want it to overpower what we are doing at the moment. Put that one side. Then I got some spring onion right here. So remember, this is a saltfish now. I just buy a pack of saltfish from any local shop or supermarket, or anyway you normally buy your goods. I'm gonna cut up this time. Wow, this board is rocking too much. Lovely and nice. So this is a spring onion. Just adding the spring onion to the saltfish. And I have some white onion which I'm going to be adding also. Roughly a medium sized white onion. Cut up very finely. I got some mixed herb which I'm going to be using. A pinch of mixed herb. I got some coarse pepper. I might just put a little bit of all-purpose season. Just a pinch of all-purpose season, not too much. Give it a stir. You know what happened? I don't like this cutting board right here. I'm gonna change my cutting board. Honestly, I don't like my cutting board rocking like that too much. I'm gonna just have to change this cutting board. Get me another one. Lovely. Alright, ready for business. So, mix up the saltfish with the seasoning. I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a lovely fish cake at home. Alright? Nice one. Then, I have my mashed potato which I have left over from. I make some mashed potato. This is the best one. The leftover one is the best one to use. The one that you have left over from, like you make too much mash. So that's the right one that you can use. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply scrape it inside of it like this. Give it a mix. So you're going to mix up the saltfish and the mashed potato with the seasoning and everything, guys. You're going to love this one. I'm going to show you how you can make yourself saltfish cake at home. And you see this saltfish cake, Honestly, you're gonna love it. Don't worry, we have a lot more recipe coming out, as you can see. Nice. So, as you can see, mixing up the mash with the saltfish and the season, everything. Make sure you mix it up good enough. Alright? And as I was saying earlier, the best saltfish to use, the best mashed potato to use is the leftover one. Especially make too much mash, don't put it in the bin, do something with it. Alright? So this is my oven tray right here. Alright? With a piece of a grease-proof paper. So what we're going to do now, we're going to show you how you can make yourself saltfish. We're going to show you how you can do your saltfish cake today. You guys are gonna love this one. Alright, so first of all, don't be shy. Get a piece of the fish, saltfish and the mashed potato. Take a piece out of the bowl. And I'm gonna show you something. Basically, you're gonna be rolling it up like a ball in your hand. Some you can use gloves. If you want to use gloves, you can use a hand. If you want to use a hand, as you can see exactly what I'm doing it like a ball. And then what you want to do, you're just simply gonna just press it down like this. Alright, saltfish cake. This is from Chef Ricardo to my fans. You see, I have to take care of my fans and I want them to be happy, and I'm giving them the best recipe in the world where they can think of. So that's all you want it to look like. If you notice how it look at the shape. Perfect shape. Alright? So remember, if you got too much mashed potato left over, and you don't have to use saltfish, you can use any fish, but make sure it's the boneless fish, no bone. Alright? Then you're gonna pop it straight right there. So that's one. Then what we're going to do now, we're just gonna do another one again to show my fans them exactly what we do it in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. So you're doing it like a ball. Let's take up a portion. Don't shy. If you're at home and you're cooking for yourself, don't shy. Use a hand. Once your hand is clean, you can use a hand, guys, and do anything. Alright? Because hand is better than anything else. Because you know how you wash your hand yourself, is it? Yes. So as basically as you can see, look at that. Beautiful. That one is nice. Yeah, man. Then put it right there like that. So we're going to do all of our potato like that and the saltfish. Alright, guys? And I know you guys gonna love it. Nice one. So basically, I just finished the saltfish cake, and I'm gonna just pop them inside of my oven now for roughly about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and gas mark 8. Number 8. If you're using like electric oven, I would want to say 165 or 175 for 20-25 minutes in the oven, guys. The middle of the oven. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Celsius, I want to say 240 to 260 is good on a medium size heat, and bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. Remember, very important for Chef Ricardo on the team. So we're gonna bake them in the oven, and then we will see how they're gonna look. Lovely and nice. Chef Ricardo saltfish cake. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. I just take the saltfish, the fish cake from the oven, the saltfish fish cake, and I'll tell you something. It is fantastic. Lovely and nice. The color, look at this. Beautiful and nice. But the beauty with this, you know what happened? You can have this with a nice lovely salad, or some coleslaw, or some mixed vegetable, or whatever you like to have it with, you can have it. So anyway, guys, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. Very important for Chef Ricardo on the team. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more things coming out your way. And as I say, this one is definitely from the bottom of my heart, and I share it with my fans. Thank you so much for tuning in and watch my show. And we got a lot more ideas coming your way. Enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much one more time again. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, as you can see. I just shared it out, and that's the way it look. Christmas looking saltfish cake. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Look at that, beautiful and nice. So enjoy, guys.